Hey everyone, it's Lynnea with a video for Simon Hurley Create, and today I'm going to be using two of his new products that were just released a few weeks ago, the Sentimental Flowers Stamp Set, as well as the Stained Glass Stencil. I love this stencil and I'm so excited to ink it up for the first time. I'm going to spray the back of it with some Pixie spray. This is kind of what I like to call a mix between a chunky and an intricate stencil. So there's some intricate lines, but it's mixed in with some chunkier lines. So the good thing about this stencil is that you're going to have the look of intricacy, but I don't find that the stencil shifts around a lot. I'm using some Simon Hurley Create dye inks. I had started with Triple Berry, but I decided instead to switch over to Crown Knee. This is purely because I have not re-inked my Triple Berry ink pad since I got this when it was first released. So I need to re-ink that, and I wanted to just kind of continue on with the video. So I grabbed Crown Me, which is another of my favorite of the Simon Hurley Create dye inks. I'm moving into Midnight Snack, which is that gorgeous, gorgeous dark midnight blue color, and then Clear Skies at the top. And when I remove this blend, I hope that you are as excited about this color blend as I am, because I am just loving this. So I'm going to remove the stencil and check that out. Isn't that just so pretty to go from that light blue to the dark blue and then the purple at the bottom? Now I know you can't see it because the stamps are clear, but I have arranged some of the stamps from the Sentimental Flowers Stamp Set onto my card, and just to kind of get an idea of how I wanted to lay out this card. I stamped some of those gorgeous florals and the coordinating leaves onto some Simon Hurley Create Stark White cardstock, and I'm just going to do some quick and easy Copic coloring. I'm using G00 and G02 for the leaves, and just kind of adding some of that dark G02 down the center and flicking some out from the center line, and then blending that out with the G00. Now for the flowers, I wanted to keep them appearing to be white flowers. I absolutely love white flowers in real life and on my cards, so I'm going to be using some cool grays. You can use neutral grays for this if you prefer, but I like the look of the cool grays. So I have C2 and C0. I'm going to start with C2 and just add some color towards the center, flicking that out towards the outer edges of the petals, and then just kind of blending that out a little bit with the C0. And you can see that's going to give some definition to the center point of those petals, but still looks like a white flower. I'm using C5 and C3 for the centers. I just wanted to have like a dark gray colored center, and then I will cut these out with my scissors. As I was arranging my card, I realized that I wanted some more leaves, and so I stamped one of each of the leaves and colored them, and as I did, that was when I realized that there are actually two different kinds of leaves in the Sentimental Flowers Stamp Set. Some have kind of jagged, and some have smooth outlines. So I went with the smooth ones. I arranged all of those flowers, popped them up with foam tape. I stamped the happy birthday, and I bubble cut around that with my scissors, and I added that with a double layer of foam tape so that there's three layers on here. The background, and then the flowers are popped up one, and then the sentiment is popped up even more. So thank you so much for watching. All of the Simon Hurley Create products that I've used are listed and linked in the video description below, and I will see you again really soon. Bye! Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.